5 minutes of listening.
This morning, I met Adam on the bus. Really? Yeah, he'll get married in the autumn. And they will have a wedding in Paris. That's cool. Do you see the TV remote? It's behind you. Hi, guys. Hey. Hi. I found our new housemate. Who? This is Emma. Hello, I'm Emma. From now on, I'll live in this house. Emma? What a beautiful name. Hi, beauty. My name is Clark. It's good to see you. And I'm Justin. Hi, Justin. You have smooth hands, like a princess. Have you ever held a princess's hands, Justin? He just had the chance to hold Princess Emma's hand. Never mind, Emma. Please, follow me. Okay. What are you doing? Don't try to get Emma's attention. She is mine. Let's see. This is your room. It's pretty. My room is opposite yours. Clark and Justin's rooms are downstairs. The bathroom is next to your room. There is also a bathroom downstairs. It's great. You can use all the utensils in the kitchen. There is a mini store behind our house. Is there a supermarket nearby? There is a supermarket on Queen Street. It only takes you 10 minutes by car to get there. Who is sitting on the sofa? She must be an angel. I'm not Angel, I'm Emma. Emma is more beautiful than an angel. Have you seen Kelly? She is at school. I want to go to the supermarket, but Kelly seems busy. I can drive you there tomorrow, Emma. Really? Thanks. Does that mean we are dating? Not yet, Clark. Oh. But it's an opportunity for you. Are you hungry? I'm thirsty. Can I make you a lemon soda? Oh, it's perfect to have lemon soda on hot sunny days. Are you free tomorrow night? Yes? Would you like to have dinner with me? Where would you take me to? I know a nice France restaurant. Oh, okay. I'll go with you. Great. Oh, it's 1:20 p.m. I have class at 2 p.m. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. Let me take you to school. Aw, thank you so much. You are so nice. I'm sorry, I left my wallet at home. No problem. I'll pay you back when I get home. You don't have to. But instead of paying me back, you'll have a coffee with me at the coffee shop across the street, okay? Okay, Clark. I'm glad to be with you, Emma. You are so kind, like a gentleman. It's nice to be housemates with you. Emma? Yes? Be careful with Justin. He is a genuine player. Is he? He'll change to a new girlfriend every month. He's currently dating Tiffany, but he's also flirting with a girl from his school. Really? Shame on him. I'll protect you, so don't worry about Justin. Just be careful and stay away from him. You're different from him. I can feel it. Oops. No, this is my favorite bag. Oh no, Emma. All the money I save goes to courses. How can I buy a new bag? Don't be sad, beauty. I'll buy you a new one. Clark, are you serious? Of course. You deserve it. Aw, Clark, thank you so much. I think I might have feelings for you.
Five minutes of vocabulary.
Rental. Please repeat after me. Rental. Rental. The amount of money that you pay to rent something.
Those are rental properties.
May I see your rental agreement?
Potential lead on your brother's rental car.
Okay, this is your rental agreement in English.
To cut rental costs, we should find a new housemate.
Soak. Please repeat after me, soak. Soak. To make something very wet or of liquid to be absorbed in large amounts.
Soak the sponge.
There to soak them all up, like a
And they soak it up just like sponges.
We soak up the water.
Being soaked alone is cold.
Deserve. Please repeat after me. Deserve. Deserve. To have earned or to be given something because of the way you have behaved or the qualities you have.
You deserve this. You deserve each other.
They deserve him less than they deserve you.
They deserve dreams. They deserve love. They deserve hope. They deserve a mother.
You deserve romance. No, you deserve epic romance.
Of course, you deserve it.
Dump. Please repeat after me, dump. Dump. To suddenly end a romantic relationship you have been having with someone.
Took all his shit and dumped me in a text.
Text me every time you take a dump.
Every time we go someplace, you think you could just dump?
She dumped you?
She dumped me.
He got dumped by his girlfriend.
Obsessed. Please repeat after me. Obsessed. Obsessed. Too interested in or worried about something.
He's insane. He's obsessed. You're all obsessed.
Obsessed. Completely obsessed with Clint Barton since...
You're obsessed with her, and you're obsessed with her.
Obsessed.
Obsessed with sports. You were right.
Because he was obsessed with her.
Ashamed. Please repeat after me. Ashamed. Ashamed. Feeling guilty or embarrassed about something you have done or about a quality in your character.
And that's why she's ashamed.
I felt kind of ashamed of myself.
I guess she was ashamed, right? She should be ashamed.
No, I'm just asking if you've ever felt ashamed.
She said you were a bad guy. She was ashamed of you.
7 minutes of speaking.
You look so beautiful tonight. You mean other days I'm not beautiful? You are very beautiful in every moment. But tonight, you are more beautiful with me. This place is romantic. I'm glad you liked it. Does Clark bother you these days? a little. He often walked back and forth in front of my door. I'm a bit scared. He got dumped by his girlfriend because he was obsessed with her. Justin, I'm scared. Don't worry. Call me whenever you feel like you need help. My phone just broke yesterday. I'm afraid. Don't worry, I can handle that. I'll buy you a new phone. No, I can't. Listen to me, Emma. You deserve it. Oh, Justin, thank you so much. I think I might have feelings for you. I bet Emma likes me. I'll confess to her. I'll be her boyfriend. Don't be kidding. I'm the one who will confess to Emma. She likes me more. Sorry? What did you say? Emma hates you, you know. She said you were a bad guy. She was ashamed of you. She said you were a stalker. She was scared of you. Do you even know what you are saying? Let's go out and get this done. Cool. There is an alley outside this bar. Are you sure about this? Coward, are you going to give up? Don't beg my forgiveness. Wait, look. What? Isn't that Emma? What is she doing here? And who is that dude? Oh my God! Emma, I have your new phone here. Oh, really? Justin, you are amazing. There are only us here. I want to know, what do you think of me, Emma? You're a generous and caring guy. You're romantic and always treat me well. How about Clark? He is very annoying. He likes a stalker and scares me. What about the man you kissed yesterday in front of the building? What? We already know it all. You are taking advantage of us. You have a beautiful face like an angel, but with a devil's heart. You should leave this house, or you will live here like hell. Okay, whatever. You two aren't as stupid as I thought. Sorry for this stupid thing, Clark. I also have to apologize. I'm almost lost a good friend because of that girl. Don't ever let this happen again, okay? Sure. Shall we watch baseball together next week? Of course, my bro. Did you two make up? Where's Emma? She will never come back here again. What?
Three minutes of reviewing.
Question 1. Which new housemate does Kelly think she should live with? A male housemate. B, a female housemate. C, she doesn't have a preference. The correct answer is B, a female housemate. Question 2. How does Clark first react to meeting Emma? A, he compliments her beauty. B, he ignores her. C, he makes fun of her name. The correct answer is A, he compliments her beauty. Question 3. Where does Justin ask Emma to have dinner? A, at a French restaurant. B, at a pizza restaurant. C, at a romantic bar. The correct answer is A, at a French restaurant. Question 4. Why is Emma scared of Clark? A, he talks too much. B, he is obsessed with his ex-girlfriend. C, he follows her around. The correct answer is C, he follows her around. Question 5. What does Emma decide to do after being confronted by Clark and Justin? A, apologize and stay. B, argue with them. C, leave the house. The correct answer is C, leave the house. Question 6. What do Clark and Justin plan to do next week? Go on a trip. B, watch a baseball game together. C, find a new housemate. The correct answer is B, watch a baseball game together. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time practicing English. Please comment what you want to practice in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice videos. Goodbye for now.